everyone, welcome to the demo of iRoad maintenance system. So in this project we wanted to improve the overall quality of the life of every Indian. So in this use case we targeted to improve the road quality. So we have a set of pattern where we try to get the data from different sensors from the vehicles which are running on the road, and from it we try to calibrate the data and show which road requires the maximum maintenance, and this is done in a public domain where both the civic authorities and the general public is a party, where both can see what is happening. So for this, in this hackathon, we have used the Edison board and we have used the vibration sensor. So you can see that the vibration sensor is connected to the analog. So now I will be starting this sensor to capture the data. So you can see on my screen, now I am starting it. So as you can see, once I start it, the vibration is coming. So you can see the values are coming. So these values, if there's some more vibration, as you can see, which I am manually creating over here, you can see the spikes which are coming. So these are the things which we try to capture in this. Now this data will get pushed to the cloud where the calibration will happen, and then this data will be projected on a map to show what's the road quality of a particular item is. So now I will take you through the next part where we will be showing it onto the Google Maps, how the road quality looks like. So this is how the application looks like, which is in a public domain, which can be accessed by anybody and provides a uniform access to everyone to see how the road is maintained for a particular area. So you can see that this application is running on the board itself. So this is running on the Edison board. You can see the IP. And as you can see, there are bumps which are represented by some color. So these represents that there are some problem with the roads over here. So these bumps also gets color of the bumps also gets changed if there's the intensity is more. So probably a blue represents that there's some patchy part, and a red will probably show that there's a lot of thing which is problematic. So this is what we tried to capture in this project during this hackathon. And we see that this can improve the overall quality of the life, especially in the cities in India. Thank you for watching the video. Thanks a lot.